Hey Geek, so I'm here in the touristy area of Vientiane, Laos. This is where most people come. It's near the Siham area and it's near the Mekong River. And one of the things that you might hear, and it's not just here in Laos, but it's basically, this is not the real Laos or whatever, insert your country. And today I do want to talk about that and kind of question what that actually means. Because when people say this is not the real Laos or the real whatever country, what is the real country? What is the real city? Whatever the case might be, what is the real culture? Does it mean going to local neighborhoods where there's dirt roads, dogs and cats barking at you, cows and chickens? Or does it mean in the slums of a big metropolitan area? Or does it mean out in a remote village somewhere where there's no internet, no water, no electricity? What is the real Laos or whatever real country? Well, at least for me, from my perspective, this is the real Laos. Because whether you are in a touristy area, a local neighborhood, or a village, it's all part of Laos. Just like anywhere else in the world, you have the areas that are more touristy, you have the more developed metro areas, but then you have more rural areas out in the countryside, out in the villages, and those are still the real insert your country there. And that's what I really enjoy about actually coming here and visiting these different countries and cities, because over time you realize that all this is part of the real experience. It just depends on what type of experience that you're looking for. And for me, that's what I like to enjoy and talk about. Just different parts of the country, the culture, the cities. And if you're somebody who doesn't necessarily think a Starbucks, like what we have over there, makes things real, then you don't have to go there. There's many other local shops here, and you can choose to go where you want, support what you want as well, and enjoy everything that these countries have to offer, but also just get a real sense of how people live here. And I'm fortunate enough where, at least in Laos, this is my mother country, so I do have a lot of family and friends here, and so I'm able to experience the quote-unquote real Laos or local life that probably wouldn't be able to experience unless I stayed here a lot longer. And similarly for other countries, you could probably do the same. And so if you are somebody who's wanting to experience the real Laos or whatever country that you're in, just realize that it is the real Laos. It's just one part of it, and there's so much for you to explore and learn and enjoy. So if you actually had any thoughts on this or any other countries that you've enjoyed visiting, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here.